Welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 1 of your homework. Again, Nanta. Who is Nanta? I have sent ahead your Chapter 8 work, so I hope this is going to work the way we're going to do this. Hopefully I made myself good notes. At first, I could not find them. And I thought maybe I had mailed them to by accident. I thought, oh, good gravy, what am I going to do? Because But I've got them. So, on spelling lesson 1, you're just to trace those. I put that little note in there on the pennant. Did you like how I used the pennant for that? Anyway, just trace those words. And so for vocabulary lesson 1, that first blank is cavalcade, and that is a formal procession of people walking on horseback or in vehicles. Now, I'm not going to put in vehicles on the rest of them. I don't even know if I put it there. I'm pretty sure I did. But for our definition, I wanted you to be aware of it. I wanted you to be aware that it could be a vehicle procession. But for our purposes, you just need to know that it was on formal procession of people on horseback or walking. And it's spelled C-A-V-A-L-C-A-D-E. Cavalcade. C-A-V-A-L-C-A-D-E. I had to be careful because I had misspelled it at first, and so I had to, when I saw it, I thought, I don't know what with that. So I looked it up, and I've got it right for you. One more time, cavalcade. C-A-V-A-L-C-A-D-E. Hailed them. Remember Prince John, was it Prince John? Or is it, anyway, when Prince John and Brian de Gaubois and the guy who's got the boots that curl up to his girdle from chapter 7 when they're talking, he says, by my haildom. And so it's something held sacred. And it's haildom is H-A-L-I-D-O-M. Nana had to look it up several times too. Every time I went to do something with it through your homework, I had to look it up to make sure I was spelling it right. It's haildom. H-A-L-I-D-O-M. One more time. H-A-L-I-D-O-M. Haladum. And that means to hold something sacred. 3. Churls. C-H-U-R-L-S. And that is a person of low birth. Churls. C-H-U-R-L-S. And again, Prince John uses that against the Saxons. Number 4. It's a 10-letter word. Wantonness. And that means bad behavior, intentional bad behavior. And it shows no care or respect about what bad things might happen. It just doesn't care. Wantonness. W-A-N-T-O-N-N-E-S-S. So it's want, W-A-N-T, on, O-N, N-E-S-S. Wantonness. Wantonness. W-A-N-T-O-N-N-E-S-S. And that's another one Nana had to look up several times to make sure she was spelling it right. Anyway, all you can do is laugh at yourself, right? Wantonness. W-A-N-T-O-N-N-E-S-S. Wantonness. Number 5. Adders. A small venomous Eurasian snake. Adders. A-D-D-E-R-S. Adders. A-D-D, like you're going to add ers. E-R-S. Adders. One more time. A-D-D-R. No. A-D-D-E-R-S. Adders. Number 6. Outruns. O-U-T-R-A-N-C-E. And again, it was first used in 1819. I just thought that was interesting. Yeah, I was kind of amazed by that. So outrance. O-U-T-R-A-N-C-E. And Sir Walter Scott didn't waste any time snatching up a new word, did he? I thought that was kind of cool. Outrance. O-U-T-R-A-N-C-E. And again, that means to the uttermost. For example, until someone surrenders or is killed. Outrance. Do you need me to spell it one more time? I forgot how many times I've spelled it already. O-U-T-R-A-N-C-E. Number 7, burgess. Burgesses. Again, that's an inhabitant of a town or a borough with full rights of citizenship. So it was B-U-R-G-E-S-S-E-S. So it was they were an inhabitant. It was a person who lived in a town or a borough. And remember, I said a borough is an English town, and it was full, and they had full citizenship rights. So a burgess, B-U-R-G-E-S-S-E-S. It's kind of like that word burgers that we had last in chapter 7. Burgess, B-U-R-G-E-S-S-E-S, and I guess it's burgesses because it's multiple. The burgess would just be one, and then adding the E-S on the end of that double S makes it more than one. Largesse. L-A-R-G-E-S-S-E, and that's a gift. Largesse. L-A-R-G-E-S-S-E. L-A-R-G-E-S-S-E. Number 9. Now I have put in the dashes, the hyphens for you, and I just realized looking at my paper I have put in the wrong accent mark. It shouldn't be the little apostrophe looking thing. It should be a flat over the A. So it's cap, C-A-P hyphen A. And again, you should have a short line over the A and not an accent mark. And then dash, P-I-E, or hyphen. C-A-P hyphen A, little line over it, hyphen P-I-E, cap of pie, means head to toe. C-A-P, like your cap, A, pie, P-I-E. I just thought that one was interesting. I didn't know what it was, and I thought it was interesting, so I thought you would like to know. Pennons. Now, Grandpa Scott and I had this discussion about this word because neither one of us could understand what either one was saying. So, it was just funny, and I just thought you might like to know that. Pennons. P-E-N-N-O-N-S. Pennons. P-E-N-N-O-N-S. And it means a pennant. But it is a long triangular or swallow-tailed flag, especially one of a kind, formerly attached to a lance or a helmet. A pennant. That's the definition. So it's pennons. P-E-N-N-O-N-S. Let's see. That's 10. Oh, here's what I have a mix up on my page. Number 11. Whoa, ye. And I colored in that little square in the middle there to show you that that's a space, that you didn't need to write anything there. So that's why I did that. Wote. Capital, and it's a question, so it's going to start with a capital. Capital W-O-T space Y-E. Question mark. This is a question. Wote ye. Capital W. And again, if you're writing it all in caps, it doesn't matter. But capital W-O-T space, which I gave you, Y-E question mark, which I believe I gave you that too. Wote ye. I think I'm probably going to be running around saying that for a while. Wote ye. What do you think? What do you know? So be ready for it. Because if I remember next time I see you, I'm probably going to say, wote ye. Number 12, and this should be your last one, is demivolt. And again, I gave you the hyphen in there. But it's a half turn, and you spell it D-E-M-I-V-O-L-T. hyphen V-O-L-T-E. Yeah, Nana, I had to look that one up several times too. Okay, so demivolt. D-E-M-I hyphen V-O-L-T-E. Demivolt. One more time. D-E-M-I hyphen, which I gave you, volt. V-O-L-T-E. And that is your vocabulary lesson 1 for chapter 8. Have a great day. I'll see ya later for lesson 2. Bye-bye.